Hey, want to know how I was able to catch this monster 700 pip move in euro dollar and how you
Yo, 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 yo. What's happening, boys?
China Foreign Ministry on US and Japan leaders meeting says growth of bilateral ties between the US and Japan should be on maintaining peace and stability.
Right then.
China's Guo says China hopes the EU can uphold free trade.
It's annoying when you get these stupid adverts and stuff, man. What have I done there? Gold is still falling off a cliff. I'm really tempted to buy in at gold on a 0.01 lot and just hold it, because this fell off now by how much percent? Oh, 10-11% drop. That is lovely. That is lovely. What about silver? So silver must be at least 16, 20%, 15. There you go. Yeah, 15. Slowly holding up a bit more than gold is. So if I was to put a 0.01 lot, yeah, on gold, with a 0.25% risk, if I do the entry at 39.25, And then I can do 38.62. I do like the look of that, to be fair, but that's on a 0.02 lot, and it looks like gold is still coming down, so I'm wondering, doeth whateth. And if I was to do 0.01 at 3,200 right there, on a 0.25% risk could be 37.95. 37.95. That would mean gold would have dropped off by.
How many times have you checked your P&L today?
Oh, this guy's really annoying, man. That would have been a 13.4% drop. And I'm giving myself how much SL? 1,234. Suppose I could take a 0.25% risk at that level right there. Or I could wait for it to come down here in the chance I might actually get tagged in. But if you get swerved, then what? Just thinking here what to do. Let's took that zone out in it, so that, yeah, boom, that's done. There's all the low time frame zones. Get rid of all of them if they've been cooked. That's okay. Honestly, I think 39.25 is a good level, or 39.20 is a good level. I really like the look of that. I've set the limit there anyway, but we'll see what happens. Yo. Hello. 39.20. What's going on, Francis? And then SL is 39, 37. What? Only 2.2, no, 2.25. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, because you've had a massive drop in it, yeah. You've had so far a 10% drop is a very good drop, to be fair, really good drop. And I've set my SL here, so I'm not expecting gold to do more than a 14% drop. I'll be surprised. Either it'll take a long from here or it'll take a long from here, but I don't see it dropping more than that. If it does, I'll take another buy, but it's only 0.01 lot on the 50k funded. So my SL is huge, 1245 pips basically. Yeah, so it's a big SL, like comfortably sized SL.
China's Wang says, I hope Japan's new cabinet makes the first right step with China.
It's only a 0.01 lot on the 50k, so it's very tame, you know. So I'm just gonna set an alert at 250. Thick SL, yeah, it is, but it's got more of a swing in it, so that's why. And then I'll do an alert just over. Once again, I buy, you sell.
Japan's the country is tough to negotiate with, but it's a good relationship.
There. That's the plan on gold anyway. Let's go back to this now and see what happens. Oh, this is looking good. I was going over the live stream yesterday looking at that GU long that I swerved myself out of, innit? It was quite funny, you know. It was one of those moments where, yeah, it's just quite funny. Yeah. Break this level, don't tag into any supply zone, and then I'm happy to go long. Let's get my SL and everything ready on the other accounts. This is on euro, innit? So if I broke that level there and broke that level there, probably set this limit there, to be fair, so it's sat on that level in it.
It's optimized for AI workloads.
Francis, I have a question for you.
Why are you gay?
I love it, bro. It's really funny. It's really funny. Oh man. GJ did a bit of a sell-off, didn't it? Look at that on the yenas. Did it come out and take any level? Don't know. No, it didn't take out anything amazing, to be honest. But I'm liking the look of this channel. Actually, I'm gonna delete that. Oh shoot, I deleted the bloody thingy itself. There. Oh really? Actually, I think he did. I remember seeing something about that. But you know what it is, bro? You live in a society where you do something really dumb and you become famous quite easily, bro. Remember the Hakter girl? And you the one I said there's another one that's new. Some other stupid person did something and now they're famous again or something. Who was it, man? Fuck, who else was there? I don't know. I feel like there was something else. Another person doing something dumb. I'm gonna keep trying to roll my stop, roll my entry. If the volume continues to the downside, so I can try and get like a really good sniper entry, and then I might be able to go in with 0.02 lots. If I can, that's obviously going to be better. I would prefer that. What? Right, so that's where I've got my limit set. Right now, I've actually moved it a bit. Right, anyway.
We run your prop firm challenge for you and you don't pay until it's passed. Then we hand you a portfolio of automated.
You shut up. Okay, pound still tumbled. Interesting, interesting. I'm still bouncing in this channel. Would prefer it that we drop out this channel and then we can target these highs right here. Frankfurt high. That'd be ideal. The while you become a podcaster. You become a podcaster. He did what? He become a podcaster. So you trying to get in shorts on gold, yeah? Why are you going against me for, huh? Why you wanna fight? You wanna fight, Francis? I'll come to Kenya. I'll slap you so hard you turn Caucasian. Absolutely. I'm gonna slap you so hard you'll become another race. Oh man. I'm already, bro. I'll slap you so hard you become white skin. Brother. And I have to use you as a liquidity. Oh. Okay.
Man, shut up!
Was that too loud? I felt like it was a bit too loud.
Man, shut up!
Yeah, that was a bit loud, wasn't it? Let's be honest. Let's turn the volume down a little bit. And then turn the musical stuff just up a little bit. That's better. Nah, it's good. It felt loud to me for a second, man. I just turned it down a bit. Okay, so okay, we've broke structure here. That's I like that. It looks like EU and GU both kind of even today in terms of strength by strengthiness. So if I was to go on M2, that would be the new demand zone. But I don't like the look of that. Is not so. What the? You bloody stupid. You bloody stupid. Oh God. That is not clean, is it? Yeah, I think it'd have to be that. 59. Probably just go 60 on there. Two pip SL, it'd be a really tight entry to be fair. Let's go M1 so we don't have any issues. Yeah, I'm happy to go long on there. Let's go to M2 on Euro. Entries 560. Oh, that's an M2. Let's go M1 560. Wait. So what time are we talking? This recent low. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, 560. And the SL is 540. Is right. There. I'm gonna do extra on this stupid account. Oh. There, so I've done 2.5 on that one. So it breaks through. So I'm not gonna set the limit yet. Obviously, until it's done what it needs to do. Then we go in with limit. Bloody limit. Gold still not doing anything as of yet. Okay, yes, GJ still there. Oh. Okay, we're expanding out of the channel. We're coming out of the channel. Where's the lowest point of that? It's probably about there. So say 45. I like the look of this. If you come out, take these lows and we get confirmation to go along, I like the look at that. We had a bunch of equal highs that got taken out during Frankfurt. Now then we left the M5 invalid zone. That could be a completely valid sell-off, yeah. But I've got a feeling that we need to go up, take out these levels maybe, and then push down. So we'll just see what happens. But I like the look of it. I really like the look of that on GC. So let's prepare to go long on there also then. There, so I've just got that ready
US
also.
Economic says we are looking to working with Japan on shipbuilding.
Okay, there you go, broke that level. Beautiful, but now we have an issue that is tagged into all of this. Come on, mate. Give me a bloody clean zone, mate. Yeah, take that zone out. Beautiful. Now we can take it from this zone here, which is 77. So I'll do 80 on there. And then we still got a lovely sized SL. I like the look of that. I just needed to give me a chance to enter though, because now we were obviously bearish, yeah. Let's go on M5 on here. I mean, we were bullish with this price action here. We had a correctional drop there, took out this Asia midline level. Now we might potentially push up again. Yeah,
So Japan and
seems
US
valid.
signed an MOU on shipbuilding.
Hi, this is Jenny from Decisive Zone Dubai. This call may be recorded for training purposes. May I know your name?
Jenny, leave me alone. Damn AI freaking thing, robotic things. Anyway,
Hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com.
it's gonna be a quiet day, to be fair. Almost sounds like a scam. It's AI, innit? It's crazy how they made AI scam bots now and stuff like that. Like, absolutely insane. Oh wow, I've really covered that zone, haven't I? I could get a seriously sharp entry on this. Ooh. Bro, if I catch a 1.7 pip SL on this and then we get a 1.7 pip, that I don't think I can take that, because 1.7 pip is going to be too big on the lot size for the accounts. I think I would have to do a 2 pip. Yeah, I'd have to do a 2 pip. Okay, what is GU doing now then? So we've had this zone here, yeah?
Stop drawing trend lines, support and resistance lines, or fair value gaps on your chart, convincing
I
yourself
swear, when
that
your
you're
free
getting
trial
better
finishes for premium, I'm sure they give you more adverts, bro, because they want you to come back. Let's just stick that there. So still getting lower highs and lower lows on this. That could just be early buys being taken out right at Frankfurt Open, possibly. But obviously we are far weak on the pound, like way weaker on the pound than we are on the euro, so there's always that needs to be considered also. Need a clean cut. Oh shoot, GBPCHF. Oh yeah, it's done even better, it's taken out this low. That's even better. And I like the look of this channel. Sat right there with this invalid zone. Oh, this is looking good, you know. GBPCHF looking clean. I just don't know if it's going to give us an entry in it, because that's obviously another problem, isn't it? But let's see what happens. If you get a clean entry, bro, I'm all for this. Let me just copy and paste. Oh, shoot. Didn't mean to do that. Give me about 2.5, 3 pips because of spreads and stuff. Gold isn't doing anything yet. I'm gonna go to GBPCHF on there so I can pay attention on JPY. I do like the look of this though, you know. I do like the look of this. You know, now that the stream starts an hour later, is that better for you guys or worse for you guys? In Kenya. China. I don't mind if it expands lower, takes out this low and then signals a reversal. That would be like ideal price action. But I'm just trying to be adaptive to whatever it does, innit? Okay, so now what do we see here? We broke structure here. So this is still a valid entry. What time are we? 99. I can do 2 there. 1.9. There, so that's valid because you broke structure here. Didn't tag any supply zone there or anything. So we're clean on this entry, but it's done it in 1 minute. You're taking the mic. You're literally taking mic. Walaikum assalam. Karibu undugu. I forgot how to say I miss you in Swahili. Number 1 trade copier in the house. Number 1 trade copier in the house. Look at the 50k account. What's going on with that in gold? What's going on with that in gold? Come on, lad. What are you saying, gold? What are you saying? Okay, you're still far away from my entry on gold. That's fine. No problemo. Problemo SL, no. My fellow liquidity provider. Oh man. Oh man, that was good, fellow liquidity provider. Oh man, he went there, he did it. That's gay. You know what? I've got the perfect response for that.
Why are you gay?
Brother.
Why are you gay?
See what I mean? Geez, really not enjoying this, is it? We might. Oof! Look at Euro. Euro did a big truck. I was coming to. They come into this demand zone, but I think it might take it out because look at that volume. Are we gonna get a stronger DXY today? I'm not even sure.
Haram!
Congratulations, man.
Trump says Toyota is going to be putting auto plants in the US.
That's a good thing, because all it means is you add 1 pip extra on your entry and then you catch 4. Okay, GU's oof.
So Toyota is building plants in the US worth up to $10 billion.
That's cool.
Why are they building plants in the USA for? Are they dumb? Like.
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. Are you? Like medically speaking.
Yeah, like medically speaking, I think they're dumb. What the hell? Get rid of that. Get rid of all of this. Probably bring that down to HLO, to be fair. Why not? I do like the look of this though, because all we've done is just created a new M5 invalid zone. So I do like the look of that. If we obviously go long, if you don't go long, then it doesn't matter. But I'm saying if we do go long, then that look good still. But obviously if you don't, then we don't, innit? Oof, that must be painful, Ali.
At 4
Oh,
a.m.
ye of
Eastern
little
Time,
psychology.
Manufacturing business confidence forecast 87 on the prior,
Look at that,
87.3,
ooh.
and Italian consumer confidence forecast
Look at that.
97 on the prior, 96.8.
Oh. Allah Akbar. Welcome to trading, man. You just have to be like, I don't care, I'm following my plan. You're not chasing price, price is coming to you. If price don't come to your entry, what does that mean? It's not valid, it's not gonna happen, simple as that. Don't make it more complicated than what it is. You trade a strategy, you don't trade like the idea of chasing price, you know what I'm trying to say? Okay, so you've taken out Asia low. This is interesting now. So this low has been taken out, which means that this is the next low to come. I'm going to set an alert on this low. 81.79. Boom, diggity dee 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 dee. They've had the build up of a channel, a huge expansion outwards. You've taken out these relatively equal lows here and here. Now we should signal a reversal. If not, and we continue selling off, that's fine. We know that pound is not looking good after, well, we had the inflation come down and stuff. Naturally, that's going to weaken the pound and stuff like that. It's not going to look as pleasing in terms of the strength of the currency, if that makes sense. Let me just show you a software that I've got on a free trial from someone. This is going to be nice for you guys to look at. Odds are I might miss a trade, but oh well. So if I go to this, click trading view, click Chrome. Okay. So if you look at the fundamental perspective, excluding so majors, metals and minors, right, okay, what can we see? Euro card, bearish, AUD bearish, Euro GBP bearish, gold bearish, Euro silver, pound is a neutral one, pound USD, USD CAD, USD ZAR, GBPCHF is more neutral. Yeah, it's not, look, GBPJPY is a bit more on the bullish side, but in terms of currency and stuff, there's no clear direction. Euro USD is looking really good actually, but it's still in a neutral reading, innit? So if we go out here, economic heat maps, yeah, this is generally the consensus of the currency overall. Pound looks good, but obviously we just had inflation come out, which is inflation data, CPI year on year, USD, GBP. So we just obviously come out, it's supposed to be forecast of 4%. We come out 3.8, so obviously it come out lower than expected, yeah. Now, lower inflation is obviously better, but it weakens the currency. That's kind of what we're seeing there. On the economic heat map, once again, GBPCHF looks better for longs. GBPJPY looks a bit sketchy. Euro
expecting the results from
JPY is not good. So the best thing right now would be CAD CHF longs. If you're swing trading and stuff like that, this is more fundamental based data, in it. Obviously, stockpiles all the stockpiles all the COT data, retail position, seasonality trend, GDP, PMI, services PMI, retail sales, year-on-year CPI, PPI, PCE, employment change, unemployment rate, and interest rate. And then you've got top setup
Zelensky
simple
estimates
version.
Ukrainian
Where it just
long-range
simplifies
strikes on
all of
Russia
it.
have led to 22 to 27% fuel reduction and loss of more than 20% of oil refining capacity.
It's not a site, it's a software. You have to buy it. Going back to TradingView now. It's on free trial, innit? It's one of the YouTubers I used to learn fundamentals from. He built his own software. It's called the Edge Finder. It's bloody expensive, man. But if you got money to burn, it's not a bad software. Really not a bad software. That was from the guy I learned fundamentals from, to be fair. What it does is compiles all the data points and stuff like that, and then it puts it into an easy to understand style in it, or structure. It's good, to be honest, but as I said, it's a bit pricey, man. For me, it's just a little bit pricey. Okay, London Open. What are we saying, London Open? Come on. Come out, take this load. Which has done by 0.5 pips. I mean, I would have preferred more than that. Would have preferred more of a sweep of that level, for example, but I'll take it. And if you start getting break to the upside and stuff, then you got build up, expansion outwards, London Open, time frame for potential reversal, target these highs. Sounds good. See if it does it though, innit? Oh, Jamaica's got a really bad hurricane coming. Mia brother, stay strong for Jayana. Irie. Sorry. Let's bring that down there. Okay, what was I looking at again?
On paper,
This guy. Why he always here on? How do you? Yeah. Remember, we got FOMC on Wednesday, so price could be really crappy until then. So I'm just trying to like remain patient and just wait for the ideal setup in it. Bro, you're not gonna get a retracement on gold for sells, you know, Francis. Look at that. I don't think you're gonna get a retracement on gold, bro. And there's a huge likelihood price may go down even more and take out my gold entry as well. It could quite easily just come down and just chop me hard. I'm just hoping that when the government shutdown ends, we start getting bad news data, and I'm still in this trade for the news data to push the gold up again or bring uncertainty back into the market and stuff like that. That's kind of what I'm hoping would occur. It would be ideal. I'm still waiting until I determine the retracement will likely lead to change in bias. I'm still waiting until I determine the retracement will likely lead to change. Okay, yeah, of course, but even before that, remember before all this stuff happened, it was bad anyway, right? So it's just gonna continue that, but then just be even worse considering they've had the layoffs. But I'm shocked how resilient the DXY in the economy is. The stock market still slapping near all-time highs and stuff like that, yeah, and all that stuff, and it's still pushing harder and harder to the upside, which I don't know, man. There's got to be secrets somewhere within the government in it for the stock market to still be rallying and people pumping money into the stock market. I find it very suspicious. I bet the VIX is falling off as well. Yeah, we're back down on the VIX again to 15 as well, bloody. Yeah, what about the was it US 10-year? No, yeah, there you go. So the US 10-year yields are slowly coming down as well, yeah, which is gonna make it easy for the thingy to cut rates. What about the US 20-year? 4.5. What about the US 30-year? Morning. Karibo Ndugu. Mambo VP. 4.6% on the 30-year. Mambo poa Ndugu. That's interesting. So the US 10-year, yeah, it's coming down. We're near the 4% mark, which is good, yeah. So the market's already expecting the rate cut to happen. It's already pushing down slowly. That's interesting. This is still pushing down. Euro is doing a much better job. It's really holding its ground against the pound. I just checked the euro out, man. It's bloody. It's pushing up with a bit of force, ain't it? Oh wow. Okay, so I've got the alert set there anyway, yeah, for a potential reversal point in it. But I want to see the euro drop and then the pound start to rally off of the back of that. That would be what I would prefer to see. Okay, yen's come taking this low by about 3-4 pips. I'd like to see potential reversal occurring now. London Open did not do anything on the minute. It did come out on the... Did it do on the minute? Yeah, it didn't do anything significant on the minute, unfortunately. So still nothing there to go off of. Let's go on the M15, find other potential zones where price could give a move from. That's going to go over to Wednesday, most likely. Yeah. And that's probably going over to Wednesday also. Yup. And that also, why not? Trying to think of where the next potential zone could be. I don't like the look of this zone or this zone. I think they're suspicious. I like New York low. That looks like a safe zone for a potential reversal to occur. Or a zone to sell to if we get bloody some type of sell entry model or something like that, which you haven't got yet. Still waiting. Okay, let's go M5, reset that. Yeah. I think it's going to come down and take that low. What's gold doing? I was coming for my entry, I think. Where's my entry again? Yeah, it was at 9:20, wasn't it? No, 9:15, wasn't it? Yeah, 9:15. Go on the other account. Yeah, 9:15. KCHF, thank you very much. And then after 9:15, I'm gonna roll it to 9:10. So I'm just keeping an eye on that. It's 0.6. We took that zone by 0.6, which is okay. Good morning, dude. Man, I'm still in 2% drawdown. Okay, why does that bother you? I don't understand. Why does that bother you, bro? I swear most people are not built for trading. Why are you bothered about 2% drawdown, bro? Like my 200k can's like 7-8% drawdown, and it's been like that for like 6 months. Invaluation phase is not what you want to see, dude. Okay. Allahu Akbar. This is why I keep talking about psychology. Yeah, 2% drawdown is not bad. And he's like, oh, it's I don't want to see that. Man, don't trade, bro. Don't trade. Do gambling. Go casino and just do rush the roulette wheel and hit black. You get 50% win rate. 50% win rate, bro. Just put 1,000 each time, and then 50% win rate is not bad, you know. No demotivation, please. मैं तुमसे चप्पल मारूंगा. Oh dear. मारूंगा, yeah. दंड मारूंगा. बुंड पर मारूंगा. चप्पल तेरा से बुन के मारूंगा. आई. These sound effects are brilliant, man. If you use them in the right time, they're really good. Yesterday price was brilliant.
Natural gas platform with a US company.
Brother, yesterday acting on pricing, acting very gooding. Okay. So we continue to make a lower high into a lower low. And then made a lower high and then a lower low again. And then we broke structure, tagged into this zone. Now we need this zone to fail for us to potentially hop into a long. If that's what we're still aiming for, of course. This is why I was saying, yeah, you need to understand the job that you're doing, bro. Like, understand what trading is. You know, I was in drawdown, yeah, literally, bro. On most of my accounts, my drawdown was about 6 or 7%. 6 or 7% for about 6, 7, 8 months, yeah. And then alhamdulillah, in 3-4 trades, when I really fixed my psychology and I really started understanding price action, bro, my losses, my trade frequency dropped. Yeah, I stopped trading so much, and bro, I'm telling you, the quality of setups improved heavily. Like, much better setups. And then literally in a few months, bro, boom, freaking good quality trades coming in straight out of drawdown. This strategy that I trade, bro, I love it because it allows you to make mistakes and stuff, yeah, but it doesn't mess anything up.
Asana helps you handle it. That's because Asana is where humans,
because it gives you the option and the availability to make mistakes. And stuff like that, and the drawdown is really low. Oh, yo, you chill out, mate. Now I've gone to 05. Still coming down, ain't it? You can't control price action. You can only control how you enter and exit and manage your trades. Therefore, a loss shouldn't be something to worry if it's part of your trading plan. Exactly. Thank you, Francis. I am so happy you're here. You know what, yeah, Divit? Maybe Francis is my favorite Kenyan, bro. I'm sorry, Divit. You're falling down the ladder, bro. You're falling down the ladder. Just see trading as a business and you'll have your losses anyway. Yeah, exactly. This is why I say, yeah, you need to understand the job you're doing. A lot of people don't understand that trading, or they think it's only, we make money. No, you're gonna risk money, which means there's a likelihood you can lose money. There's gonna be market conditions where it's good, market conditions where it's bad. You're gonna have happy for sacramony. Yeah. You're gonna have days where, or markets where the year is really good price action because you're in a trending market, everything's there, volume's good, stuff like that. Then you're gonna get it where you're in a range band market. Like the last 2-3 months have been range band. Start of the year was good, but the volatility was too high and price is moving at weird times, not the way it normally does. So you need to understand that these things are gonna occur and you need to handle it accordingly and hold yourself accountable for your actions and stuff like that. But a lot of people, once again, they don't understand trading. They don't understand what the job entails. They think, you just take a trade and you make money and there is no losses, there is no drawdown. Come on, bro. No, he doesn't. He trades a completely different way. He just trades 30-minute time frame with the fib. That's it, pretty much. Asia high, Asia low, wait for a pullback in London and then boom, done. I like the way he trades actually. It's similar to how it's basically similar to how I trade higher time frame, key areas and stuff like that, but they tend to line up with fib levels anyway. The only difference is I don't need a fib, whereas Francis uses a fib. I don't use them because I already know where the fib is anyway. Like you look at the charts and you know where 0.5 is, 0.382, 0.786, like you just know in it. And key areas tend to line up with these levels anyway, around the 50% or the 618 level anyways, where the key areas tend to line up.
Gold is seen at $4,980.30 an ounce in a year.
It's a good strategy though, I like it, man. But you know what, you can tell who's older and who's younger in the chat, because Francis and me are similar age, yeah? We're in our 30s, we're a lot more patient, we're a lot more understanding. And then you've got Amal, David, and who else have you got? Khalil. They're a bit more like, we want to pass now, we want to get funded now, I want to get past this now, I want the money now. Like, you're a bit more like not patient, if that makes sense. When you're older, you understand things a bit more. Like, when you're older, bro, you can't control things and you understand that. When you're younger, you're a bit more like, I want it now, because you don't understand that you need sabr in it, like you need patience and stuff like that. I don't use fib. I just use it for like other people, but I don't really use it because I already know where fib is. Also, like with this, Khalil is taking too much banter nowadays, man. He's hire me as your lawyer. Yeah. Oh man. He's my Unduthi guy. Khalil is my Unduthi guy. I love the guy. He's too funny, man. Such a funny guy. Chief is 50. Oh yeah, Chief is here. We speak and the crazy man is coming. Signal. Whoa. Oh, signal.
Brother. You're finished. Wallahi, you're finished. Don't ever come out. Any retraction you do now, switch off your social media. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to hear your voice. Wallahi.
That's us cooking Halil, unfortunately. Unfortunately, that's us cooking, Halil. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We have sort of a problem here.
Bro, I love this soundboard. It's really good, you know. Really good soundboard. Let's go back to the trade copy. Euro didn't really end up giving an entry then, did it? Nope, 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 it did not. CHF continued to fall and the yen did a lovely drop also. Oh dear, oh dear. Not looking good, is it? Not looking good at all. Khalil is the GOAT. He changed. No, he's got 2 accounts. That's a different account. It might come for this low then. Possibly it might come for that low. Where are we? 830. I'll bring that over to 930. Brother. It's annoying because I wanted EU longs, yeah, but I couldn't get a clean entry on it, right? And then it just kind of went anyway, unfortunately. Went without us. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take it here or wherever I was gonna take it, because look at that volume come straight in. But I like this because you tagged in, we're giving a reaction, hopefully take that zone out. If I'm gonna long, I'm gonna long EU. I think GU's looking a bit sketchy, man, for longs. Definitely looking a bit sus for longs. 930, yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna use GU as a reference for EU and stuff like that instead. What's going on with gold? It's not tagged my zone yet. It's at right there. Damn. Hand's not looking good, is it? Euro GBP says flew up even more, so let's go on here and then look at that. Go on M5, what even 4 hour. It's just come out taking those highs. It should reverse from here. If not, we've got a problem. If not, then
we have sort of a problem here.
yeah, exactly, mate, as you just said. This is all the way over here, but we need to bring this back too. Okay, so it's tagged. Hey, that's 8:30. Why is it doing the mark on? No, it's supposed to be 9:30. That's gonna be 9:15. Huh? Oh shoot, that was wrong. Wait. That's 8:15. It says this one's gonna be 5:30 to 5:45. There you go. So I got that wrong on all of them. Okay. So go 1 hour ahead. There we go, and then 1 hour ahead in this one as well. Stupid time zone difference, man. Okay, so there might be a potential long on EU. I'm just looking now. I'm thinking about it. I mean, it looks nice. So if we just go, for example, on M1, yeah, we're just taking that zone out. So that zone's failed. I like the look of that. Stop loss is gonna be probably gonna be a buy. Yeah, I'm guessing if you go on M2, it might give us a better. Yeah, so more like that there. And then that was 74, 50, okay, 74. So you could do 75. And then stop loss can 1.8, 1.9. I'll cover both of them anyway. So I like the look of this zone to go long. But obviously we got these gaps here, so you need to be careful. So I'm willing to take that trade. So entries 575. SL is 550. $550. I'm gonna do extra SL on the ACG account because spreads and stuff like that. Okay, so that looks nice to me. Right, so I've set my limit on here. Damn it. 38.90. 38.90.
Trying to say tech self-reliance is to be greatly improved.
I like the look of that anyway. Okay, so EU looking clean. Have you tagged any zone? Oh, wait. Damn it. Tagged the supply zone right there. I don't like the look of that. Just go up a bit higher.
You're behind the markets.
Or just make a high, come back down, fill this gap in, make a higher high. Then let me enter. Then I'm willing to take that.
67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people.
Come on. That lines up with that key area actually beautifully, doesn't it? That's 623 pip. That's all right. Yeah, just aiming for a tiny little move like that. Hey Pip, I can work with that. Wait a second, that should have gone over 2, 3. Huh? Yeah, that's okay. That's better. Okay, so now that's better because you took that zone out, you made the higher low, yeah? So now if you break this level, take that zone out, and you get a nice order block or whatever, then I'm willing to take that because that's balanced now, isn't it? That's all balanced price action. We just got this bit of a gap here. I'm just hoping that it holds in it. So if you do come up and break this zone here, I'm literally willing to get in along on there. 28, so I'd say 30. I actually want to break that level, so 32, yeah. 32 I'd prefer. That looks much better to me. And then, or even if it tags this demand zone, yeah. Even if it tags here, then break structure, then I can take it from the next zone that it leaves behind. That's even better. I would actually prefer that even more. I prefer that even more. Yeah, go on. Do something nice. Go on. And then hopefully it gives GU a chance to take out some lows and push up or something, man, because the GU is being horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. Pound is oof. Look at pound. Oof. Pound is getting annihilation.
Yield on UK 30-year gilts hits the lowest since April 7th at 5.159%, down about 2 basis points.
It's getting pounded. Yeah, I know. Pound's
Translated
getting
from Group
had
export control and security
absolutely
review
getting
mechanisms.
demolished. This is all because expecting rate cuts, I bet. I think this is all going to be expecting rate cuts, pounds falling off a cliff. I prefer that. You get better payouts. You get more value on your payouts because you get paid in USD, so I prefer that. I'll take that all day long. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it's going to give better, cleaner zones as well, I'm guessing. Like, that looks like a clean M15 zone now, doesn't it? Yeah. Like a nice little zone, that. Like a nice little zone. Okay, so gold slowly coming. Slowly coming. It's good because I'm going to catch the entry on the key area, which is even better. I'd be happy to take it from here because then buy should step in on that. That's actually a better zone. Oh my god, CHF. Oi. Oh. Shoot. Let's go on 2 minutes and then click here. Go M15. About 1 hour time frame. Is there any other level? Oh, I don't think we're going to use the levels. We might be going to daily levels at this point, you know. Yeah, look. We're going at daily levels now on GBPCHF. It's going to be a bit more harder to trade now because I have to look left a lot. I'm streaming FOMC on Wednesday as well. That's going to be interesting. I'm going to get to see what Powell says after all this lockdown stuff and government shutdown. All that stuff is going to be interesting to see. Like, what's he going to turn around and say in it? I'm really fascinated to, or like eager to see what his opinion is going to be on all this stuff and the shutdown and the rate cuts. Is he going to do him? Is he not going to do him? I'd think he would, but he can't do anything he wants, so yeah. M15 sat right there. But I don't think we're gonna get a 40 pip move. Yeah, 50 pip move almost. Yeah, I'm not seeing a 50 pip move up on GBPCHF. It just doesn't have the volume to do that sort of move. I think we're about tired on that now. I don't think we're gonna get much more than that. Okay, so luckily we've got the spreads showing on the thingy, so you can go back and try and find some type of level. Allahu Akbar. Yeah, there's no level for it to go to. Yeah, there's no level. I can't find any of the level that price I want to go to, so it's just gonna have to be that level. Okay, let's tag that zone. I do like this, man. I'm happy with this. If you get pound sub 130, 127, 128, 129, that's going to be good for payouts. Obviously, going to be bad for the pound, obviously, but I don't really care about this country. It's going down the toilet anyway, so at least if I benefit out of it, then that'd be good. Come on, just tag my zone and give a lovely move after that, please. I would very much appreciate it. Yeah, exactly. I'm just going over my trade copier, not trade copier,
OpenAI's
my
block
lot size
money sales
calculator on
forces
MetaTrader and just
Benny
looking at
to
through the
attend
settings
Trump's
it's got,
dinner.
which is cool, man. Got some cool settings. This is sick, you know. I'm just going through the settings in here, wait. This is actually really good. It basically lets you, yeah, so if you oh, that's really good, man. It doesn't let you over risk and stuff like that. That's actually really good. So it just cancels it out and stuff. That's actually quite a good feature, man. But I mean, just look at this, innit? So 2, 4, 6, 8 minutes of a range right there. Price is not moving in any direction. Thank you for the heart, whoever it is. Thank you. Probably our local signal server chaser person, you know. Halililililili.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get ECB CPI expectations and ECB bank lending survey.
Yeah, FOMC tomorrow, innit? So I think after tomorrow, when we get the rate cut and obviously have the press conference, they're gonna ask him about the government shutdown, how's it gonna affect the Fed and stuff like that, yeah? Hopefully, if Jerome Powell actually gives an answer, we'll understand the context of the market and then the market might start trending. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully, if you do start to catch some trend in the market, we might be able to start getting some potential opportunities to catch direction and trade. Well, that's what I'm hoping for anyway. It might not happen, but I mean, yeah. Yeah. This month I'm down 1R, so 40-ish%. But in the last like 3-4 months I'm up like 8% or something, because I did my new account in August, innit? The thingy account, the track record account. So I'm up like 8% or something since August. This month I've missed. I took one SL. I missed one trade, which was a TP. I missed as in I got swerved. And then yesterday the GU longs, which I was wrong on my analysis. That's the first time I've been wrong on an analysis for ages, because I play both sides of the market, innit? That's the first time I was wrong, or like I viewed the market incorrectly. There you go, that's better wording. I viewed the market incorrectly yesterday on GU longs. It felt good, man. I was like, wow, that's not happened in a while, but it's a good feeling, man. It humbles you, innit? Let's look at trades for this month. History, current month. So we made money on Euro USD. We made break even on GJ, break even on no, that was a loss on GJ and then a loss on GU. So we made one break even, two losses, and partial. I think that's this month. Is that from the whole month though? Current month. How do you do custom time frame? Current month. Yeah. Previous 3 months. No. So how do you do closing time? Oh my god, I haven't even really traded in October, have I? What? Have I not traded in October? That's not right. What's this? Why is it being weird? Oh, previous month. Oh god, yeah. Last 3 months. There you go. That's better. I was like, what the hell? So on the 10th of the... So we've only taken 4 trades. 4 trades. Yeah. And we're up 8.15%. That's not bad, man. That's not bad.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get ECB CPI expectations and ECB bank lending survey.
Yeah, meet each other, have fun, man.
China to drive orderly replacement of fossil fuel.
Okay, see how gold is.
UK Chancellor Reeves says too much cost trading with the EU is pushing inflation up.
Damn it.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
some EU relationships.
So this is interesting because price did tag into it. It went up and then it's come back down again. So I don't know what price is doing here, but it's not really doing anything as of yet. GBPCHF same, nothing much is really happening. gbpjpy same again, not much really happening. We're dead in the markets right now, aren't we? We are a bit dead. How's silver looking? Silver's yeah. Let's have a look at that actually on the have a look at silver on M15. Actually, just go 1 hour and actually no 4 hour time frame. How much did we sell off by is what I'm curious. So 54,451.
China aims for breakthrough in key areas including chips.
So we're down 16% on silver. That's a beautiful discount. That's a really nice discount on silver. I think gold is gonna be a teeny bit less than that then, isn't it? 81.37, 81.37. So yeah, we're down 11% on gold right now. Lovely drop, man. Sick drop. I'm happy to go long on here. I just want to catch a tighter entry. Like, I really want to get it, yeah? Instead of 38.90, I want to catch it like 38.80. Yeah, like, all right, basically in the middle of that level. That's where I'd love to catch it from. Or even like 38.85 or something like that. And still keep the 40% risk SL size. So still keeping a 623 pip SL. Yeah. But I prefer 880. But 880 looks like a nice level, man. Especially if you go on the 1 hour time frame.
1 minute remaining.
Or the 4 hour even, innit? Because then you're covering these lows and this low here. So the odds of you getting fake out, at least you covered the fake out if it happens and push back up, innit? No worries, I'll arrange it when I'm free. Yeah, he can be your Nduthi guy. I cycle a lot, maybe. Bro, he's older, man. Why are you trying to make the guy do exercise? He's talking, he's not a young man, bro. He's like, oh yeah, bro, we'll do exercise. Nah, I'm speaking on his behalf. Hell no. My brother is definitely too tired for all of that.
ECB inflation expectations for 3 years ahead unchanged at 2.5%, 5 years ahead unchanged at 2.2%.
Bro, he's trying to kill me, man. See, look.
Consumer expectations survey, median inflation expectations.
See, bro, we ain't got the stamina and energy we used to back in the 20s, bro. When you hit 30s, you slow down a lot, you know. Oh, look at that. You're, ooh. Hello, Yoro. Ooh. That was something to do with the news that just come out, I think. Yup. Hiya. He's trying to kill brother. He's trying to kill brother Francis. He's trying to kill brother Francis. Astaghfirullah. He's trying to kill brother Francis. Bro, are you crazy? Are you crazy? I got a bad feeling no trade day, but I'm gonna be patient because anything can happen. You guys should, bro, we're old, man. We ain't got time for that. We're busy trying to make money, yeah? We're not like, you know, teenagers where we can spend all day chilling with our friends, all that stuff. Like, when you get older, like, you ain't got time for stuff like that, bro. Yeah, exactly. Same here, Francis, man. Same here. Also, like, you know, when you're older, bro, like, there's many different factors in it. Like responsibility, maturity, and stuff like that. All these things come into play, man. Okay, coach, I'm gonna start exercise once I have a mansion in Tigoni. What's a Tigoni? That sounds like a food. That sounds like a food. I want some Tigoni. Sounds like a chicken. I don't know. Dang. It's a place, yeah, I know, but it sounds like a food. Tigoni.
Japan's Takaichi says the US didn't mention the scale of defense spending.
It's a very up-class neighborhood. Yeah, but don't you want to move out of Kenya? If you're making money, don't you want to get out of it? Because it's a poor country, bro. I mean, don't you want to, like, you know what I mean? Like, you get what I mean, right? Like, I want to get out of the UK because it's a poor country. People think it's rich, but it's bloody, you know, it's a poor country. Has lots of greenery. Oh, okay, yeah. So more like, yeah, scenic and stuff like that. Yeah. To be honest, in a lot of African countries and stuff like that, oh, I'm definitely going to move out unless you get a sensible president. Bro, you're not going to get sensible presidents in countries like Kenya, Nigeria, Botswana, Papua New Guinea, even Arab countries. You're not going to get a good president, bro, unless you go to a white country. But when you go to a white country, then the presidents are too capitalists and stuff like that. So then that even doesn't help. Okay, it's coming. I'm going to start rolling my entry, rolling my entry. Right, so I've rolled the entry to 880 now. No, I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready for that. Yes, D, also doing a cycling with David later. What? 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 Oh, man. You guys are too funny, bro. I swear, too funny. $17.6. There. So there's my entry now. And I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to move my entry from here on gold. I'm going to keep it there now. This is swing position on the point on the 50k funded account, by the way. So don't. I'm looking to hold this for a while. Where's TP gonna be then? Because I'm just aiming for. Welcome, Karibu. Karibu Undugu. Welcome, Karibu. Yeah, Karibu Undugu. What's up, D? There was a very low variable candidate, Margara, and then on Tata, but even better than Kibaki was. I don't know the leaders, bro. Honestly, I don't know who your leaders are, so I've got no idea who these people are. This is even better now though, because if I do catch that entry on gold and I've got that SL there, it just covers this low fake out here and this low here. So I mean, I doubt we're expecting another 4% day, right? Or another 5% day. 5%, yeah, I'm not expecting that. Not really, no. I mean, yesterday we had 3.5, and then the day before we had 2.5. The day before we had basically 4. So yeah, as long as I get triggered and then I get a quick break even, then I'm willing to go break even and see if it pushes up again or not. And then I'll hold this through FOMC tomorrow, because I'll swing this in it. Remember, Freshie, just the rain pounding. Pound's getting pounded as well. Pound is getting pounded heavily. Bitcoin's coming down. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna catch anything today. I think we're just gonna have to look at price action and just wait and be patient, because I'm not seeing anything clean or anything, man. Just looking like a bunch of, you know. One of my friends, they leave it. Stupid phone. We did just come take this low, but I'm still not sure. It looks very yuck, you know. "30-minute range on GU. You slowly dropping down, being corrective. Not corrective, it's coming down with a bit of volume, and then GU's just dropping. So I think that might be them balancing out." And 9:30, right? Get the invalid zone. That's not important anymore. Boyers, give me something to talk about, man. I'm dying here. Literally, I'm dying. I'm from Eastland. Francis, you still going to Adobe streams or not? I've not bothered anymore. Have you been going?
We run your prop firm challenge for you and you don't pay until it's passed. Then we hand you a portfolio of...
That's so dodgy. Yeah, I went to a couple of his streams, but she's open and closes. So I was just like, I ain't got time for this. Plus, I'll be streaming my own time anyway, innit? I left. I unfollowed Think Capital. I unfollowed them from YouTube and stuff like that. I don't really want to use them. I don't think they're that good. I was looking at the rules compared to other prop firms and stuff like that. Nah, no thanks. Not interested in that. They have the same rules Quantecle does, but Quantecle has a 50% discount code and they do pay out. And the rules are pretty much exactly the same. So why would I go to Think Capital where their discount's only 20%? Like, and it don't make no sense. Like, if they had a 60% discount, then I'd go to them. But because they don't have a 60% discount, I won't go to them because I know Alex from Quantecle anyway. And they get 50% discount and you get a free account. So it just, yeah, I'd rather just trade with them. The rules are exactly the same on the two-step. 0.5% over 2 days, minimum trading days, 4 days. Like, Think Capital has the same rules. So for me, then there's no benefit going to them. Yeah, come on, take this load, tag me and then fly up again. Come on. GBPCHF is still falling, and the yen alongside that is just kind of consolidating. I mean, I suppose that there was an entry, I guess. So yeah, there was an entry right here. But obviously it tagged in within 1 minute, so I wouldn't have been able to take that anyway. It would have had break even in a few minutes. That's what I was looking for, but I didn't pay attention. It's Nunez time for me to log out. Peace out, Francis. See you later, alligator. Yeah, volume is very lacking, is it not? We've got Swerve there, potentially tagged now, but looks like it's going to keep coming down. Oh my god, what is going on? This is just gonna get taken out, to be fair, but at least you could have caught a 1, 2, 3 R, but to me that's nothing, man. Not even worth it. What are you thinking? What are you thinking, David? What are you thinking? Possibly, yeah. I mean, we have caught trades right at 10:15, which is why I'm staying on the stream, but I really want to go. But I know that you can get a trade anywhere from like 9:30, 10 o'clock. So you just have to really be patient, man. Like really, really patient. Like this trade here, completely valid, but obviously I missed it because I wasn't looking and I was just kind of like, nah, you know? And now it's slowly creeping up in it. It could push down, but it doesn't matter because you would have been break even anyway and in profit. So these things happen, man. You just have to like, you just really need to be patient. Trying to think of what we can talk about, something to entertain ourselves, man. Looks like gold. I want gold to drop it like from there and tag my entry, which is 880, yeah, and then from there it can just do what it needs to do. D, are you here? Wangi. His name is Mwangi. What? Mwangi? Yeah, Mwangi, yeah. Almost forgot. I've been looking after my friend's dog here because they're on the honeymoon in Egypt, so I've been dog sitting for my friend, so I've not really been looking at New York. He's a really cute dog. He's a Japanese Akita or an Akita / Husky, but I don't know what type of Akita it is, but he's really adorable, like so cute.
Amazon say AI is the most transformative technology since the internet.
In modern Formula One, the challenge is to find all I'd like gold to tag me in on this, but if I get too greedy and I kick myself out of a trade, I'm also willing to accept that. But I got a feeling this is just doing the whole tag in, give a reaction, and then fall through, and then the move might occur.
Says we want to work with the US on critical minerals.
I'm just waiting in it to see what the hell this does. Right, 9:30 now.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com.
Okay, so low, high, low, 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 high, lower, low, low, high, high, low, coming into an M2 demand zone.
People, come on.
If we can break all of these, we might get an opportunity to go long. Maybe. I say maybe with uncertainty because I'm not sure. And I feel a bit tired mentally, man. I just feel a bit sleepy. So I'm a bit like, meh. Oh, that's a really bad price action. Look at that. Oof. Oof. That's really bad. Wow. Can't trust that. Yeah, look at that, man. It's going now, isn't it? If you did take it on that zone what I was on about, 9-1 zone right there, 48. Probably would have been 50. Would have been up about 3.5 or yeah. See, look, there's a trade right there on GJ and we completely missed it because of my laziness. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hiya.
Japan Zakazawa says, we aim to implement the trade deal faithfully and swiftly.
Are you guys looking at any of the pairs? D, are you looking at anything else other than these main pairs or not?
Akazawa says exchanging views with the US to cut Russia energy reliance. Okay, so we broke structure here. Let's try and get an overview of this again. Invalid zone there. Put that zone out, push that down. Then we got this zone here. We're kind of stuck in between here, but I feel like longs look better and they make more sense. I feel like that. .4 pip. Wow. How many pips is that? 18 partials would be about, well, 12 to 15, so 6 anywhere up to 7.5 ish. What's GU looking like? Okay. So come down, took this low first, broke structure,
9:30. Maybe it could push up now. I'm not sure. Maybe. If we're gonna buy EU and GU, it makes sense. We're gonna short GJ. We've had the fall off of there. We've had that sweep there. Gave reaction a potential drop there. We've had that sweep there. Consolidation, then a push out. Maybe I think that there might be a setup coming on GU EU in the next few moments. I think we'll see what it does. If it looks clean, I'll go for it.
In 2005, I left my job as a math teacher. It's because I wanted more freedom and
Okay. $41.29. Can someone find a trade for me, please? I'm getting bored. Do me a favor, guys, if you haven't done it, hit like and stuff like that. Thank you. Appreciate it. My guys. My guys.
Yeah, this is it, man. You just freaking these markets in it, bro. They're a bit crappy, aren't they? They're just a bit crappy, these markets as of now. Like, look at that, yeah. I wanted to take it from there, and it's kept going. I had limits, everything set. Just had to click one button 3 times, and nope. It wants to keep going. For example, on here, if you just click GU, you broke structure here, made a new demand zone, carried on going from there. There was no entry on GU, literally no entry at all. No M15 on GU, because odds are we're not gonna catch anything now. So let's just get ready for New York session. If I trade in New York, I'm not sure if I will, because I might be dog sitting. So we will see. So there's that on GU for New York session. You obviously got Asia high. I'm going to leave that where it is. EU for New York session, what are we thinking? That looks okay. That looks okay. This, well, not sure are we. GBPCHF for New York. Oh. There we go. Okay, so M5, probably London high, and I suppose I can drop in something here. Oh. Damn it, gold did tag into that zone, but it's going. It's already up 245 pips, but from this zone itself it's up about 200-ish, so that's annoying, but it is what it is once again. What about GJ? So for GJ we've got this high here, 4 o'clock. Ooh, 4 o'clock.
At 5:55 a.m. Eastern Time, we get United Health Group earnings. Estimated EPS $2.84. Estimated revenue at $113.03 billion.
There's another zone right there. And then there's obviously Asia low right here. That's just in case it wants to keep dropping, obviously, but I don't think GJ will, but obviously you never really know, innit? So you have to draw those zones out and cover them anyway, just in case GJ does do something that you're not really expecting. At least if you drew it on the chart, you've already kind of got it preemptively done in your mind that, oh, okay, this could be a level that it could go to, for example. Partials would have been about 35, so it would have been a very small partial of only about 6-ish R when normally it's a bit tighter than that. Yeah, 7.2 looks a bit better for 35. Right, we're at 10 to 10. Nothing as of yet. Nothing as of yet. Why does that sound weird in English? Oh my god. Is there any games or anything that you guys are playing? Oh, I know what I can do. I can watch anime later on. Yes, I didn't even watch One Punch Man episode 3 yet. So I can watch One Punch Man. Thank God.
And stay focused on important work. That's how work gets handled. Visit us at asana.com.
Okay, Asana.
At 5:55 a.m. Eastern Time, we get United Health Group earnings, estimated EPS at $2.84, estimated revenue at $113.03 billion. And at 6 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UPS earnings, estimated EPS at $1.32, estimated revenue at $20.86 billion.
I'm deleting the limit on gold. I'm just gonna look at what it does in New York session on my phone anyway, and then I'll see what it does and take a trade from there if I need to. And then I'll take a tiny little trade on the 100k as well on FTMO, because that's got 4 minimum trading days. So I'll take that tiny trade on there as well.
No entries at all, bro. No entries at all. It's just behaving really slow and crappy, ain't it? So, yeah.
United Health Group earnings coming through. Revenue $113.16 billion, a beat on estimates of $113.03 billion. EPS $2.59 versus $6.51 year on year. Adjusted EPS $2.92, a beat on estimates of $2.83. Operating cost ratio 13.5%, beat on estimates 12.7%. Optum revenue $69.18 billion, a beat on estimates of $67.52 billion. United Healthcare segment revenue $87.07 billion, beat on estimates of $86.72 billion. Operating margin 3.8%, beat on estimates 3.69%. They see full year EPS at least $14.90, saw at least $14.65. See full year adjusted EPS at least $16.25, saw at least $16.
I don't know what he's talking about, but okay, bro. So yeah, I think it's funny because like I wanted to go long on EU, yeah, but it's not giving clear entries and stuff like that. Obviously, I wanted to go long. Where was it? I don't even remember, here or whatever. But it broke structure and it dropped in 1 minute. I can't remember where it was. Thank God that I don't have the time to take those 1 minute entries. Here it broke structure, it flew up perfectly how I wanted it to, and then come back in and tag it, but there's just something bad about this price action, probably because the volume's low, but also GU tagged the 5 minute supply zone, so I couldn't have taken it anyway. On EU, I did say we want buys after you've had a build up and an expansion outwards. This is a huge expansion outwards of this channel on gbpchf, massive expansion outwards. And if you go on M2, there was no real way to get in on there. But how would you get in on that price action? Like I wait for like structure breaks and price to come to me for an entry, right? But this just, nah bro, it just went. So I think that there's no way for me to get in on gbpchf shorts. On gbpjpy on the other hand, I wasn't too sure about it. I thought this is gonna be just from this price action build up. That's quite poorly drawn, isn't it? So like, you know, build up, expansion outwards, and then a reversal, because you had the demand zone at the bottom of Asia. So I thought this is gonna be an invalid zone. So I thought obviously you can sell out of this zone, but obviously once again you need to get an entry to sell in it. I take entries from order blocks mainly, or demand zones or whatever. I don't really trade fair value gaps and stuff like that. You should be streaming TikTok. My friend's got an account with 50k followers on there. So I am thinking about it, but I don't know if this computer can handle it. The computer struggles as it is, bro.
UPS earnings.
The computer struggles as it is. Anyway, so yeah, you had that expansion outwards there. On here, what was there? So broke structure here, and it just fell off.
pulled up break structure here, fell off. So like there's no, you know what I mean? Like there's no way to get in on this move. It just kind of fell. So I don't know how to enter on those things. I just, you know, my thing is, I want price to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So let's just go here. I want price to do whatever I want it to do, yeah? So let's say I want to take a buy from this demand zone, yeah? I set limits in that zone for price to come to me. Psychologically, it's better. It's a far more easy psychologically for you to set a limit.
$1.74.
Price comes to your level.
$1.32. Revenue $21.4 billion. Beaten estimates of $20.87 billion. Still awaiting the rest of the earnings.
That's the quarterly earnings?
They see fourth quarter revenue at about $24 billion. Previously saw 23.87.
I don't know about PayPal or USP. Who's USP? I don't know who USP is. Anyway, so I like setting limits because obviously, like, it makes it easier for you to say price has to come to me. The easier it is for you to say that, like, the easier it is going to be for you to, like, just take that trade on a limit, let it take a L, and then be like, well, it come to me, I was wrong on that time, innit? Rather than sitting and chasing price action, because sitting and chasing price action is disgusting, man.
UPS
psychologically anyway.
Capex at about $3.5 billion on previous estimates of $3.5
But yeah, I am
billion.
gonna stream on TikTok on that account. I just need to get a computer that's good enough that can handle it. So just need to get like 3-4 payouts, and then with 3-4 payouts I'll have enough money to get all the accounts I want and a little bit left over to me to start buying the computer and building it up. So yeah. Even gold is it fell off a bit there after tagging this key area, which I like. It gave a bit of volume. Now it's just consolidating again, so that's unfortunate. Oh, thank God. Ah. It's crazy how much memory and stuff the computer takes, yeah, just to run a few MetaTraders and OBS. Like, it takes a lot out of your computer, man. Like, quite a lot. Like, yo, you know. Right, boys, I'm probably gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I don't think there's gonna be anything else for us to catch from here. I'm gonna delete that because I don't think that's the right move of the day yet. CHF, and then I'll go up to... You know what, I'm gonna set the... Let me just go on here quickly and just... I'm gonna do it 50... Shall I do on the low of there? Yeah. And then I'll do another one to 80. I'll do another one 25. I'll do another one 30 away.
there.
Stop drawing trend lines, support and resistance lines, or fair value gaps on your chart, convincing yourself that you're getting...
This guy is right. Yeah, I'm gonna go as well. I'm gonna go momentarily. And then gold entry, gold entry. Yeah, boom, done. Awesome. So we got that high there that we're looking at for that, and then I'm gonna just mark out this low also for New York session, and then I'm gonna delete that. Actually, I'm gonna keep that just in case. Yeah, done. Right then, guys, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna leave you guys to it. I'm gonna see what New York says. If I can't catch anything clean, I'm not gonna trade it. Simple as that. FOMC tomorrow, bro. So price could do anything it wants. It could consolidate, could do a backflip. It's hard to really say. So I'm just gonna be patient and wait for something clean and clear cut. Obviously, you've got the links just up there, you know, for my social media, Instagram, X, Discord, free, all that stuff. Here on Trade Copy at 10% off using code Bashy in capitals with that link only. So yeah, that's me done. Peace out, guys. I'll see you later. Thanks, David, D, everyone for coming. I appreciate you guys all. Thank you.